My name's James Brown. I started my career as an engineer, working in the oil, gas and chemicals industries. I moved into technical consulting before taking an MBA and becoming a management consultant, working as a director at Accenture based in Southeast Asia. More recently, I became a freelance consultant and coach, helping business school students move into consulting. Now, the Pivoting into Consulting workshop is perfect for professionals with at least 3 years postgraduate experience who are considering a move into consulting. I will share how I made these changes and help them to think strategically about how to maximize success. Students will leave with a better feel for what their career sweet spot could be. They will learn strategies for changing geography, function, and industry, and develop greater clarity over how to present their achievements, how to rebrand themselves, and how to have the best chance of moving into consulting without having to start at the start of their career ladder. Please feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn and check out my website at savitas.co.uk, where you can find free resources and sign up to my monthly consulting newsletter. See you soon.